Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Oz Espresso Machines. Make sure to check us out on Instagram. So we just finished the service on these two Marzocco GS3 AV with the new retrofit kit. So this is the new IoT, which means you can use the app and determine all kinds of variables. You get statistics and all kinds of stuff. Very useful, especially for the AV model. It makes it way more easier to navigate through the app versus going through the standard menu over here, just all the touchpads and all that. It's a little complicated. So that's done. Also, we did the yearly PM and a bunch of other upgrades to the pump and all that. So we're just going to go through. Just going to show that it works. And we're going to pull two shots, and hopefully there will be nice shots, but I can't promise it's going to be mind-blowing. So let's just take a look. The first one, these are very early models, GS3 AVs. This serial number is 169, which means it's the early 2007-ish. So we have, it's nice and quiet. We have a nice shower. We also replaced the touchpad, so every time you upgrade to the new IoT, you need to change these. And we have hot water, we have steam, lots of steam. And then we're gonna look at this one. This is 171, which is a little newer. And also here it's very silent now with the new dampening system on the pump. Lower this guy. Plenty of steam power. What else? Hot water. Boom. I'm just making a little bit of a mess. Alrighty, so let's pull the first shot. I'm just gonna move this over here. And we're gonna go with this guy. Boom. And I like to go manual just because this is just the way I prefer. And let's look at the shot. It looks pretty good. We're at 9 bars. Lots of crema on this guy. It's a little fast. What is this? 19 seconds, 20 seconds, and we already there. So this is a little quick. 30 seconds for 2 ounce. It's on the lower end. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna try this later. And then let's pull another shot on this one, on the older one. I'll put this over here. This group is a little tighter. I don't know why, but it's kind of hard. A lot of change since 2007, 13 years for this model. Oh, sorry about that. I missed the shot, but yep. So, 9 bars. They're looking good. The panels. It's a little shaky, so it's making this noise. And it's better than before. We don't want to see how these are kind of like moving because it's vibrating. So here we go. That's it. And let's take a look. 33 seconds. We got a double shot. This is kind of cool. This is an old-fashioned Case Van der Westen shot. You don't see these anymore. And that's pretty good too. Alrighty, so thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, look us up, comment below, subscribe, and all that. Smash the like button. And if you have any questions, just drop them below. And as always, have a good day.